Hi, to remove a Land Rover, Evoque, Discovery Sport, F-Pace, sunglass bin holder or overhead console from the headliner, you just need a basic trim tool or a something like a butter knife will do. Basically about an inch from the edge on the side. If you insert it there and you can pick it up until you hear a click, and then do the same on the other side. Sorry for the shaky hand. I'm just holding the camera while I'm doing it. That should basically undo both clips, both sides, which will just allow you to remove the overhead console. So it'll be free. And to fit, just fit these two front lugs into the two holes there, so it's flush. Push the outer edge in, and that's it, refitted, all in. Try it to overhead section instead of a complete overhead, but most of the same. If you get any, as you can see, there's a little undulation that you can see right where the trim tool was. But basically, if you give it a rub, it'll even the fabric out and go. So don't worry about it. Quite resilient. Okay, thank you.